Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can disable subtitles for your hyperspace game. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is simple. Go to settings. Now when you're in settings, click here to general, and you're gonna see right here subtitles. And all you have to do is like go with the off. So again, you go escape, settings, general, and subtitles off. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.